you will not rise to the level of your goals, but you will always fall to the level of your standards. The level of standards that you have will dictate the actual life that you live. And it's funny because this is what I realized when I joined this sales community, because I got into sales a little while ago. I say a little while ago, maybe about what, 9 months ago or so. And it's been really, really good. Like high ticket sales, I've been able to make a good amount of money, meet a whole lot of great people. But I got into the sales community, and now I'm suddenly surrounded by people who are making 20 to 30K a month, even more. Some guy last month, he made like 97K in a single month. Now, this rewires your brain. And now this changes my standard and it changes my level of normal. So now when I made 10K in a month, I'm like, well, I mean, the standard in this group is about 20K in a month, like minimum. Like, what am I doing? And of course, to some people, it might be like, oh, yeah, but 20K a month is good. Yeah, it's good. It's great. It's wonderful, in fact. But then when your level of standards is higher, now that becomes your floor. And now what was normal to you in the past is no longer no longer normal anymore. Yeah, can I get an amen? Now, it was the same thing that I saw when I was in the gym. And I'll never forget this. I was on the dip machine, or like the dip bars, right? And I'd never done a weighted dip before. And I remember there was a time I used to be really skinny, but I'm not skinny anymore, you get me? I used to be really skinny. And I got to the point where I could do dips. And I was excited. I was over the moon. I was like, yeah, let me rep these dips out. I was doing like 20 dips in a row. That's where I got to at this until this point. And then a friend came over and he was like, oh, you can put some weight on that. I said, put some what? He said, yeah, put some weight on that. I said, all right. Then he slapped on 10 kg. And I started doing this 10 kg, like dipping this 10 kg. And then he slapped on another 10. And I started doing the 20 kg. And then he slapped on another 10. And I started doing 30 kg. I never thought it would be possible for me to do that because I'd only ever done unweighted. But when I got around other people or somebody else with a higher standard than me, it changed. Same, another day in the gym. So I do muscle ups, right? I do muscle ups. I've done muscle ups in the past. I can do a muscle up, but I've never done them consecutively. Like I've just done one muscle up and everyone's like, oh, this is amazing, well done. But now when I got around a group of people, when muscle ups is just their warm up, now this is everything is different now. Because now I'm doing muscle ups in sets of 3 or in sets of 5. And beforehand, I could only do one and then just like get my applause and a couple of pull ups and whatever, and then just continue about my day. But this was the warm up for the actual workout. I was not used to operating at that standard, but when I was around other people that operated at that standard, then my level of normal was raised. Now, this is the key here. Be around other people that raise your level of standard. That's friendships, right? That's just people around you that are pushing you forwards. And an even more important relationship is your actual relationship with your partner, aka your wife or your lady or your husband or your man. And for my partner and for my lady, she's very driven to know God. Like she just wants to know God and she wants to develop spiritually. And of course, that pushes me to a higher level as well. Like everybody around me, this is why I make my life in this way. I make sure that everyone else in my life has a higher standard in whatever area that they are operating in. Because I need to operate at that standard too. And this even reminds me of an agency that I ran before. And I got a client one time. And I remember I charged her 1K a month. And then I remember she told me, I think it was after a couple of months, right? She told me, she was like, Jonathan, she's American. She's like, Jonathan, you know, everyone else, like when we were looking at, sorry about my American accent, when we were looking at all your competitors, they were charging like this amount. They were charging so much more. You can charge so much more for this. And she was really on my team, right? So she, amazing client, still love her to this day. And she's like, just charge us 3K a month. Just charge us. Because these guys were charging them like, or saying they would charge them like 5K, 6K, 7K a month. And I was here charging 1K. But because her standards were higher for me, she had higher standards for me and my business. She said, no, you're at this level. What are you doing down there? Hey, she said, what are you doing down there? Rise up. She told me to rise up. She said to rise your prices because this is the level that you're operating at, or you should be operating at a higher level. Let me just raise the standard. Now, when I started to pitch to other companies, now my prices were higher. And then I started making more money because I had a little bit more margin, or a lot more margin than if I was charging them $1,000 a month. Raise your standards in every other area of your life, or every area of your life you want to see growth. And if you can't raise them, get somebody else around you that is going to help you to raise them. And this is why, you know how they say in that there's that quote where they say, show me your friends and I'll show you your future, or your 5 friends will determine where you end up. It's so real, because what are your friends' standards? Ask yourself that. Like, what are my friends' actual standards? How do they live their life? How do they actually live their life? And am I surrounding myself with people that have a higher standard for their life? I'm gonna go to dinner tomorrow with some sales guys, right, from the same sales community that I was talking about. A few of them made between like 30 to 55K last month or the month before. That's their standard now. And now I'm surrounding myself with people where that is the standard, meaning that that will become the standard for me. Like, are we having the same conversation here? Raise your standard, because that will determine the life that you actually end up living. Get around those people that push you past your limits, that know that you can do better, that know that see your potential. That's the one. The friends that see your potential. The ones that know, okay, oh no, he could do more. He could lift more than that. He can do more than that. He can charge more than that. He can grow spiritually more than that. He can run for longer than that. Look, I'll never forget one of my friends. We said that we hadn't seen each other for a little while. His name's Michael. Shout out Michael if you're watching this. And he said to me, "Do you want to catch up?" I was like, "Yeah, cool, let's do it." I said, "Where are you trying to go? Where are you trying to get some food?" He was like, "Let's go for a run." I said, "A run?" He said, "Yeah, yeah." I said, "For fun?" He said, "Yeah, yeah, yeah." I said, "Okay." And this is the thing for me. If I'm running, it's away from danger, or if it's for something, it's for food. I don't know. Like, if I'm running, there's a reason behind it, not just for fun. But then he just wanted to do a run for fun. And I was like, cool. And I was like, okay, how many, like, what's the kilometerage? Like, what are we trying to do? And he was like, light little 5K, a light little 5K. Now, this is the thing. I can do it. I can do it. Trust me, I can do it. However, do I want to? Not really. However, I went to go and do that run that day because I just wanted to catch up with my friend. It had fitness involved as well. It was kind of like two birds, one stone. I was like, yeah, let's just do it, right? And then we were going to get food afterwards. So it just was three birds, one stone. Perfect. So we ended up doing the run. And now I didn't even realize it, but we went to 8K. And he knew that we were going to 8K because he had his like Apple Watch on. I think I might have had mine on as well, but I didn't even realize because we were just having fun. We were talking whilst we were jogging as well. We were catching up. But he pushed me past where I even thought was possible because I hadn't even done an 8K like that or an 8K in like years before that. But it felt like it was a breeze because of the person that I was around. And here's another thing as well, the final point: be that person for your friends. Be that person that raises the standard around your friends, around your family. Be that disciplined person. Be the person that actually takes their relationship with God seriously. Be the person that goes to the gym and actually works on themselves, builds their body. Be that person that works on their mind, that goes to therapy. Be that person that is a great representation and a great reflection of Jesus. Be that person. Be the example. Be the standard. Set your own standards. Raise your own standards so you can help the people around you. Thank you very much. Speak soon.